1 year ago, Yellowstone Structural Systems joined Groundworks with one goal: to make a difference. This year, we built stronger, dug deeper, and proved what we can accomplish together. This is our story. Yellowstone Structural Systems was founded in 2010.
It was a small family-owned company. It kind of seemed like there was a ceiling. Felt like we were at that ceiling.
Some of the limitations YSS had before Groundworks were really just the assets, vehicles, tools, making sure things work properly, ran properly.
I remember merge day, there was a brand new box truck, brand new 3/4 ton Chevy. That wasn't even close to the end of it.
Groundworks has given us the tools and provided us resources that we didn't have before.
Replacing all of our fleet, all of our tools.
The best thing that's happened to our branch is just the support from the overall tribe.
Over the last year, we've grown significantly.
We are seeing a lot more CFIs come in. We're selling a lot more jobs. We're staying busy. We're booked out.
With that growth, we've also promoted several new installers to co-foreman and co-foreman to foreman, as well as a foreman to a field superintendent.
The materials and resources that Groundworks has brought in helped me expand on everything that I was capable of doing.
It's great having a company that's willing to put the money and time into our crews so that we do have what we need so we can do a quality job.
Groundworks is making a name in Montana, and it's impressive.
Our profitability has skyrocketed in the last year. Our trailing 12 months prior to acquisition was just over $4 million in sales. We've actually almost doubled that with a 90% increase year over year, coming in just under $8 million.
The best thing that's happened in this branch since running Groundworks has been the culture.
You can see it in the Monday morning meetings, people asking questions, being motivated to do the best that they can do and be the best employee they can be.
Being an employee owner with Groundworks feels absolutely fantastic. It's very empowering to be an owner and to have that voice and be able to make the change.
How hard you're working is directly impacting the growth of a company that you have ownership in.
I've got a vested interest in making sure this company is growing.
Being a part of the company, not just working for a company, taking more pride in your work, not trying to rush through the job too fast, doing it the right way the first time.
This year, I set a goal for myself to reach 2 million in sales. I've already reached that, which was extremely eye-opening for me just to see what Groundworks has motivated me and helped me to achieve.
The monster that Groundworks is capable of doing far more for our people than we ever would have been able to.
This last year has been transformational, whether it's software, people, training, just really the opportunities itself has been amazing.
Since we're Groundworks, we're just gonna get even bigger. We're gonna get even better.
Montana is one of the best branches in the nation. We're going to continue to be the best branch.